Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial I will show you how to change HDMI input port version on Samsung ViewFinity S7. Let's begin. Now, first you want to navigate into our menu by pressing the power button on the back, going up and pressing menu. Here we'll see a bunch of different options. We want to navigate into our system, click it, scroll down a bit, and here we can find the input port version. We can choose between 1.4 and 2.0. I will choose the newer one because I like new stuff. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.